crypto trading. Okay, so today, why are we here? We are here um, to learn how to pick our own signal, ladies and gentlemen. So, am I loud and clear, please? Am I loud and clear? I want to see some hands raised or something like a heart if I'm loud and clear. Am I loud and clear? Okay, thank you very much. So, yeah, let's go. So, ladies and gentlemen, as a crypto trader, you need to know how to pick your points at least to how do you call it, to set your signal and to set your trade, because that's the reason why we are using this wonderful application called Royal Q. Okay, so um, if you come and you activate your robot Royal Q, the most important part for you is to learn it, how to use it. Set, we have the automatic part where the robot will do it for you. But let me tell you, if you want to win more, you want to get more profit, then you better learn it. It's very simple. None of us here is unique in trading. It's because we all learn it. We all learn it. We sacrifice our time. We learn it. That's why we are able to come and share to you uh, what we learn and what is working for us. Okay? And also, before I start, I want you all to know that there's no an angel in trading. You have to protect your funds. You have to protect your account. If maybe your upline is not available for you, or is not maybe understanding it, or doesn't yet understand how to trade or how to do what we are doing, then you can suggest for your grand upline, which is the upline of your upline. If that one is also maybe not available or left the business, then you can go for mentors and suggest for mentor, but suggest for somebody who will always be ready for you, who will always assist you, who will always help you. Ladies and gentlemen, if anybody comes to you that you don't know, apart from your upline or your mentor, don't open your account to the person. If you need a help, you are the one who's supposed to go to your upline or your mentee. But anybody who will come to you in the name of, do you have a strategy? Have you set a strategy? Anytime they come to you and ask you that question, it means they have something in mind that they are coming to do to you. There is no free balance in this life. Protect your account. I repeat, don't trust anybody, trust yourself. Trust yourself. Even your upline, your mentee, don't trust anybody. Trust only you. Because the money that you put in to start your trade, your journey of trading, it is your hard working money. You didn't go out there and pack it ground. So don't play with it. They will come to you and propose to you that they want to share, they want to show you how to share strategy. And they will ask you to share your screen. At the time, the moment you start sharing your screen, there you are done. They will remove all your money. I know what I'm talking about. It has happened to people that I know. So don't trust anybody. If somebody comes to you with maybe your upline or your mentee or the leaders who are doing the training with its picture on the profile, make sure you talk to the person on I don't know, hear the person's voice. Don't think that it is the person, because they are doing it to people. So I hope the message is clear for you before I start it. Because don't open yourself like that and make yourself scam. Okay? So thank you very much for your understanding. So let's go, ladies and gentlemen. What I'm coming to share today is how you can pick your signal. Number two, how you manage your portfolio, which is your capital. And number three, how to transfer your funds from your account, your trading account, to your funding assets. Because as a trader, you need to be disciplined, you need to be organized. Trading is the same thing like physical trading. You buy your commodities at a lower price, you put something on it, you sell, and you make the profit. And your profit that you are making, you will not mix it. You cannot mix your profit with your trading capital amount. So you need to always put it aside. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because we are trading, we usually trade in the future. And in future trading, The liquidation is real. I'm sorry for the background noise. Let me move. I'm in a kindergarten here. So let me move to a quiet place. Thank you for your understanding and thanks for your patience. I'm moving. So, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, as a trader, you need to always put your profit aside. Even though you are making $half on each winning trade, you have to remove it and put it. At the end of the day, you have to know how much you made on your trade and put it aside. Because in future, we have what we call liquidation. So before I start talking about how to pick your signal, let me share my screen. I'll go on my Binance and show you how to do that. It's very simple. Okay. I'm sharing my screen now. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Great, because sometimes they used to ask, I don't know how to do it. How do we go about it? So please, my host, my co-host, if I'm out of maybe sharing my screen or I'm out of the Zoom, may you remind me, then I come back, okay? Thank you very much. I'm seeing Brother Emmanuel, I'm seeing Leader, yeah, Chikwit, Bibo, and Mr. Mo, Leader Mo, our great leader. So please, if I'm out, may you let me know. And if you are not hearing me, if I stop sharing my screen, may you also let me know. Thank you very much. So let's go. So guys, um, I hope I'm sharing my screen. Okay, I think I'm sharing it. So I'm going to my Binance account. Okay, so this is my Binance account. Okay, I will take my marker and I will use another account to make the example because in the country where I am, we no longer have the future trading pairs again because of the regulation, so we don't have it. So I will take another thing to make the example for you. Okay, so this is the Binance account. This is the home page. Here's the home page: home, market, trade, discover, and asset. So you go on asset. You simply go on asset. When you tap on asset, you will see up here what we call overview. Overview, what does it mean? It means all your funds, both in crypto and your fiat cash. It shows here. The spot is where you trade, either via the robot, either you yourself doing it manually. The end is where you stake your coins, and the funding is where you can put aside your profit. So if you have the Binance account, you put your profit in the funding, okay? In the funding. So how do you do that? You simply type on transfer. When you type on transfer here, before typing on transfer, make sure you shift it to what we call, funding. So I'm going to type on funding. Yeah, here I tap on funding. So you see, I type on funding. I'm on funding wallet. Then you tap on transfer. Okay, so you tap on transfer. When you tap on transfer, you have to make sure the wallet where the money is, you are transferring it from. It means the sender, which is where are you transferring the money from, must be up. Okay, so if you are transferring it from your future account, then the future must be up here and the funding must be down, which is the receiver must be down. Okay, then where can you see your future account? Sometimes if you come on funding here, you will see that spot is up and funding is down. If you want to change it and put your future up, then you have to tap on this arrow here, this box. I hope you are all following. You have to tap on this box, okay? Then when you tap on the box, you will see the different wallet, the different accounts. This is the spot, this is margin cross, and flexible, and so, okay? So if you are putting it in future, then you tap on the future. You type on, if you are removing it from the future account, then you choose the future account. So let's make the example. When I tap on future, it's not allowing me because there's no future, is inactive in my area. So I will take the spot wallet to make the example. So let's assume this one is the spot. After I select it, I tap on it, then I come and make sure to select USDT because remember we are trading /USDT. The crypto that we are trading in the future, we are trading it against USDT. So sometimes when you come here, you will see that it's another currency that is there. So the same thing, you have to make sure to type on this box here, because anything you are doing, you have to read it carefully. It's very important to read. You tap on this box here, okay? Then you change to the currency that you want to transfer. So when you tap here, you can either look for it manually here, or you type the name here, okay, in the search bar. So here, the USDT is already there, you see? So I tap on it, then it brings it here. Then here, the next is to put the amount. So let's say, for example, I have made a profit at the end of the day, okay? Then I minimize this page here, and I go to my royal queue. When I come to my royal queue, here, then I go to my home page. This is my home page, okay? My home page. When I tap on my home page, then I come here to what is called profit details. Profit details. Then I tap on it. So once I tap on it, you will see here on the graphic here. Am I loud and clear? The co-host, can you open your mic and tell me whether I'm loud and clear, and also sharing my screen, please? Am I loud and clear, please? Let me see in the
Yes,
chat.
my
Yes, you are loud and
trainee,
clear.
you
You are
are.
loud and clear.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so guys, when you come on this graphic here, you will see at your left side your daily profit that you made in that day. And at your right side, the total amount of profit that you made since you started trading with your account. Okay, so what matters here is the left side here. So before you will withdraw your profit and put it in the funding, you have to wait at the end of the day. For example, today we are on the 27th of August, and I have already made $12 on the first signal that I sent, I think yesterday. I sent this yesterday during my English Zoom session with my team. I took this coin to make the example, and as I woke up today, it has sold for me. So I'll explain to you how I pick it as a signal, as a short deal. So you see, I made it, and here I also made it. I took this one, I took $5 to explain and make the example, and it has already sold. So yesterday, the two signals that I took in the Zoom has delivered today at 5 a.m., my 5 a.m. here, okay? So now I am on $12. Let's see, today's date is 27. So for you to withdraw that profit, you have to wait at the end of the day, okay? And you have to wait another date to appear here, like 28. Today we are on 27, because if you remove this today, right now, it will confuse you. So as today is 27th, you have to wait another next date, which is the 28th, to appear here. So if once you see 28, it means it is tomorrow's profit. So once you see the 28, then you come and withdraw the $12, which is the one of the 27th, which is the 27th date. Okay, I hope it is clear. So as now I cannot withdraw this. I am waiting in the evening, my 5:30 p.m. for the Singapore time to change on the application, then I will draw this. So from now to the evening, maybe if I make like 50, 30 or whatever it is, then I'll wait to see the 28th, which is tomorrow's date, before I will draw this amount here to put it in my funding account. So that is what you're supposed to do. So you see, on the 25th, 24th, 23rd, any amount that you make, either it is half of $1.50, you have to put it aside, okay? So I'm going back to the Binance. So for example, today, as I'm seeing 12, then you put the 12 and you simply confirm here. It's not showing here because I'm no longer using USDT in my region. So once you put the amount, make sure it is USDT. Don't type on max. Then you confirm the transfer here and you type on OK. Then it is done, okay? So why do I always say, may we put our profit aside? It's because in the future trading, the liquidation is real. And for example, if you will get liquidated, Your liquidation will happen in your future account. Okay, not the other account. So if you leave both your profit and your capital there, once Binance decide to take their money that you own them, which is the liquidation, they will liquidate everything in your future account. That's why you have to put your profit every day aside. It means you are smart. So your profit that it is aside, if anything happened to the future account, you can then take that profit to start afresh and continue the journey. So one is better than zero. Don't leave both your profit and your capital in the future account. You can allow yourself to do it in the spot, but not the future. I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's the reason why I recommend you, or any trade you do at the end of the day, remove it and put it aside. Okay, so that is the first part. Now let's move to the next part. The next part is how to manage your wallet, your portfolio. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are trading, according to my experience in the future trading, I haven't the future trading. I was not doing it like that. I was only doing the sports side, but the future we started it some few months ago. Okay, but my small experience that I got from it is that don't be greedy in future trading. You don't need to put millions to make the money. You have to be smart. I repeat, don't be greedy. You can allow yourself to be greedy in the spot market. Let me go on Binance to explain to you what is future. Let's say here is spot. In spot, there's no liquidation. Okay? The only liquidation that I can say in spot is the time that you'll be waiting. The patience, okay? The patience. That is what I call liquidation. The patience, with meaning your how do you call it? Patience, the patience, your waiting time. Okay? Your waiting time, because you can buy a coin and it can take 1 week, 3 days, 1 month, 6 months to deliver. But in the spot, you are not losing your quantity, your pieces, you are not losing them. So if the market goes against you, all you need is to just wait. So if your patience is on level 1, then you have to multiply it to level 10. You have nothing to lose. You are not going to pay any house rent, neither any light bill fee to your trade that is in floating loss in the spot. So you have to wait. That is what I call, maybe I can say, liquidation. That patience. But you are not going to get you are not going to be liquidated. But in the future, it is real. You can be liquidated and lose all your money. So you have to be smart. Don't be greedy. Okay, let's say you have 100 capital. I always make the example with people who have small capital, because remember, we all started with small capital before we reach where we are today. So I personally, I can never forget people who have small capital. No, we have to think about them also. So let's say you have $100 capital that you transfer to your future. Let me take this one as future account. You transfer it from spot to the future account, your $100. Your $100, you have to make sure, ladies and gentlemen, you have to make sure to set a strategy with both your first buy amount and the margin cost. Make sure you take maximum 40% of the $100, which is $40. Don't mistake and make a settings of $100 everything. No, that is a great mistake. That is a great mistake. Oh, 40%, which is $40. So you can make your settings in between $30 and $40 setting. You trade one coin at a time. Even though it is Muhammad or Jesus Christ that is sending the signals, don't go for 2 signals while you are having small capital. Let me see in the chat whether my message is clear, because it's very important. This part is very important. Is my message clear? Please drop me one in the chat. Is my message clear? I want to see some yes in the chat. Okay. Thank you very much. We are 144. Yes. It's very important to manage your money, because we have all paid the 120 to make profit, not to come and lose it. Okay. So you have to be smart, not greedy. Don't say, I have to make the fast money. money that I couldn't make in 30 years, I must make it in 1 week. No, then you will lose everything. So you have to keep your big eyes in your pocket and be smart by not being greedy. Okay? So let's go. Yes, it is true. Let's go. So, ladies and gentlemen, in your future account, if you have $100, trade maximum with $40 settings. I will also share it for you. Today, we are not moving here because I have time. We can stay here up to 3 hours. So you have to take note of everything that I'm going to share to you. And I'll calculate for you profit that you can be making on your settings. If you make the good entries, you can even calculate in advance what you will make in a day or in 1 week or whatever it is. You can make the percentage calculations. Okay, so let's go. In trading, especially in future, you have to be very, very organized, disciplined, and manage your wallet, because there's no joke in future. Okay, I was liquidated 2 times, but I didn't tell anybody the amount. But that amount, I got it in a short time period. I made it 2 times, both profit and the money that I lost. Okay, so let's go. So as I said, you make sure take only maximum $40 and leave the $60 there doing nothing. You just leave it there. Leave the $60 there. Let's go. So if you are trading with $40, then you have to be compounding the $40. Okay? So, but if you want to compound it, you have to be also smart. Any profit you make on the $40, put it aside and make it like each 10 days. Each 10 days, I will calculate my profit that I put in the funding. Because trading is mathematics. It's like mathematics. If you are organized, you will make the money. I am putting every day my profit making on each trade, each winning trade. I'm putting it in the funding. Then after each 10 days, I will go and calculate how much have I made. 10 days or even 7 days, which is every week, 7 days. I'm calculating it. So after each 7 days, the profit that I've made and put in the funding, I will come and divide it like into 3 parts. Then I take 1 part to put it back to the future to top up on my $40. I hope it is clear. I repeat, my profit that I'll be making every day, I'll be putting it in the funding. Then after each 10 days or each week, I will calculate all together, divide it into 3, then I'll take 1 part to put it back in my future account to grow my capital. Then the 2 parts will be there. So those 2 parts, I can either wait at the right opportunity time when cryptos are down, then I buy the strong ones to pause them in the same royal queue. That is what we call you are holding it with your profit without you taking any extra another money to do that. So your profit making in the future, you put it aside, then after each 10 days, you divide it, you leave that 2 parts and take 1 part to continue the journey. Then the 2 parts, you take it to buy the cryptos that are down, because remember, crypto can never go up at, how do you call it? Cannot not be only always going up. It must surely come down. So you have to be always ready for those good opportunities. Yes. But if you leave all your capital and your profit there, what of if you are in floating loss? Where will you see that money to buy another crypto to hold? Remember, don't sell all your seeds. Okay? So that's the reason why I say you have to manage your wallet and be smart. You have to be smart. Okay? So when you divide it, the 1 part, you put it back, then the 2 part, you take it to buy another crypto in the spot by the same robot and pause it. So once you pause it there, you will be checking it. If it go more in floating loss, you take another profit to top it up and you close it again. Then you make the money. Okay? So let's go. So that is how you're supposed to do. Now I'm sharing my royal queue. So I come here. Before I go on the settings, I will show you how to pick the coin. This is the third part of the class. So how do I usually pick the coins? When I come on my royal queue page, I type on home page, okay? If you want to do it manually, maybe it will take you time. But every day when I wake up, during between my 5:30 to 7:30 a.m. in the morning, which is my European time, So I don't know for you what time is it. Between 5:30 and 7:30 here. We are 2 hours ahead from West Africa. So calculate it according to your country. So if I say my European time, I mean France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and so. Those time for me, for my experience, those time, those period are when I can get good signals to trade. And before daybreak, before everybody will wake up, I am done with like 5 signals that will sell for me for sure. Minimum 5. Okay. Or else maybe I want to play the lazy person and I don't want to wake up early. But between 5 to 7, the market is so sweet. Okay, either long position or short position, you will get short deals. So how do I do that? I hope you are all ready to follow it. Are you following, please? Are you following it, please? Are you following it, please? Are you following it, please? Okay, let's go. So this is how I do it. Please, if I share it to you, go and try it. If you don't try it, you cannot know whether I am lying or I'm saying the truth, or I lied to you or I said the truth to you. That is how I learn my things. If I learn, I go somewhere in another Zoom. Anything they share, I come and try it. At the same moment the Zoom is over, I come and repeat it and see whether it will work. Because me, I don't keep things for tomorrow or next time. No, because the action taker is the money maker. Okay, so you try it with $5. Then you see whether it will work or not. If it works for you, you come and make the testimony in the groups there and also share it to others without collecting anything from them. Because as a community, if we speak the same language together we can rock the world. Please, may we not be selfish. Okay, so let's go. So every morning when I wake up, I come here to my crypto bubbles. These crypto bubbles. I hope you all have it. Let me see in the chat whether you all have it. For those who have it, I want to see some yes in the chat. Do you all have this application called Crypto Bubbles? We are 159. Do you all have it? Because if you don't have it, then it doesn't make sense. Do you all have it? It is free. Those who are saying no, go and download it. It is free. Okay, so this is the app. It's called Crypto Bubbles. Okay, this is how it looks like. I will type the name here, Crypto Bubbles. Crypto Bubbles, here is it. If you have it, forward it, share it to your people also that are using Royal Q, Crypto Bubbles. So when I wake up every morning, I tap on it. Even not only every morning. Before I go for signal, I come there. Crypto Bubbles. Okay. Then when I tap on it, you will see here that there are so many cryptos in the bulls, in bulls, like something like balls. Let me make here. I'll speak the simple English for you to hear it. You will see cryptos in balls, many balls with 2 colors, red and green, bigger, smaller, smallest, biggest. Okay. So it depends on which position are you going to trade, long or short. In future, that's why I say there's a lot of money, because you can trade both the two directions. You can trade on long, when it's going up, you make profit. You can trade on short, when it's going down, you make profit. Okay. So when you come on the crypto bubbles, the first thing, the coins here, I made them from 1 to 100. It means the top 100 coins in the crypto bubbles. Okay, and among these coins, 80% of them are in our Royal Q app that we are trading. Okay, so now I'm in the crypto bubbles. Let's go. Here you see, I am on what we call the 15 hours time frame. Okay, and 1 hour. So I make these two, I put them in my favorite for me to be seeing them. These two, 1 hour and 15 minutes. That is the time frame that I use to pick my signals. Okay. So when I come here, I first type on 1 hour. Now it is in 15 minutes. So let's type on the 1 hour. I tap on 1 hour. You see, 1 hour is showing 1 hour, but in red. Are you following? Are we together? Because this part is very important. Maybe if we are out of here today, you will not maybe see me come and repeat it again. Are you ready? Are we concentrate? Okay, let's go. So, ladies and gentlemen, remember, in crypto space, we have two colors. We have the green and the red. We have the green color that stands for when the coins are going up. We have the red color that stands for when the coins are falling down. So everybody can do it. Even though you are a new member, you activate your robot today, you can do it. You just follow. So, ladies and gentlemen, you have to notice that these two times frame that I pick, you see, right now, you will notice that this one was red. This one was red color, and here was green. Now you see it has changed to green. It means the market is moving in the green side, which is up. Once you see the two time frame, one is red, one is green, it means it's not too much stable. So you have to take your time and follow it. So here you see green and green. So I'm on 1 hour time frame. Okay. This is the easiest way to pick your signal. I'm on 1 hour time frame. When I tap on 15 minutes, you see 15 minutes is also green. 1 hour is green. So before I go to 15 minutes, I'll start with the longer time frame, the bigger time frame. Now you see the balls are pumping up. So let's say in the 1 hour time frame, this coin called Ray is the one doing well. Are you following? This coin called Ray is the one doing well. Okay. So I have checked it in 1 hour time frame. So I'm going back to 15 minutes to see whether is it the same one doing good in the how did you call it, in the shorter time frame. So I come here, I tap here. You see, it has gone back. It means 15 minutes says no, it has gone back to small. I'm just explaining it in the simplest way for you to get it. If you see you come here and you don't see any short day, don't just stress yourself. Wait some minutes and come back. You will see short day. Is that clear for you? If you don't see short day here, wait some minutes and come back. You have it free. You wait 30 minutes, you come back. You will see it will change. Okay? Because if you are forcing yourself, oh, my money is available, my money is free, I have $3, I have, how do you call it? I have available cash, I have an available fiat dollars, I must trade, I must by force trade signals. No, I must. Then you will see yourself in floating loss, or you will see yourself be liquidated. You have to take short deal. That is what I call short deal. You take your time because you not trading is part of the trading. So if today you trade maybe 5 good signals, you win 5 trades. Tomorrow you don't have signals or you don't trade, that is also part of the trade. Today's profit will cover tomorrow for you. Because if you are trading, you have to always get the cash. Don't be stuck. Before, 90% of our trades always go in floating loss because we are excited. We don't control our emotions. If they send the signal, bam, because this one is Muhammad, send it, I must buy it. This one is Jesus, send it, I must buy it. This one is God, I must buy it. No, 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 no. You have to use your brain now. You have to use your brain. Okay? So let's go. Now, in 1 hour time frame, you see it has changed. Now the ray has become small. Okay. Now 1 hour time frame is red. So it means I am looking for something to short it, which is I'm looking for a coin to trade in the short position because it is red. Red means the coins are falling down. So I will take my time. I will go back to 15 minutes. Everything is red. Okay, you see? So here 1 hour red. Now the biggest red is what? It is HIP. HIP. HYPE. Okay? So now HIP. The next one is what? Form. Look. Form. Okay? We have uni, we have ing, and we have this. Okay? Or this. Pengo. Okay. So now I'm going to take the bigger one. Sorry, the HIP. It means it is HIP that is going deep than the other coins. That's why the red color is deep and it is big. So 15 minutes, short deal. Now I'm going to Royal Q. I'm going to my Royal Q. When I come to my Royal Q page, then I'm going to home. I come here, I put it on future. Then I'm going to see what is the HIP saying. HYPE. Okay, you see, is it the same thing? No, this one, sorry. This one is HIPAA. Is it the same thing? No, it's not the same thing. The other one is HIP, this one is HIPAA. Oh my God, what is this? Wait. This one is HIP. Let's see, 031. Let me see whether it's the same one. No, it's not the same one. This one is $50. It's not the same one. Let's move for another one. Okay. So I'll not go for HIP. Which one again? Let's see here. Arbitrate. Okay, you see arbitrate. 15 minutes arbitrate. I'm going to 1 hour and see. Arbitrate. You see the same position. Arbitrate is in red. So let's go for arbitrate. We are going to try it with $5. Okay. Here, arbitrate. ARB. Then I tap on it. Okay. So before I pick it, good. I have to make sure and use what we call the moving average. The moving average. That's the indicator that I use on the Royal Q app. I don't trust myself. Now, when you are seeing the moving average here, it is telling you that this coin is on a downtrend. For those who used to come in our technical analysis training every morning, we have teach you. We teach you, our great leaders. We're teaching this since 2021 till now. This moving average, we have what we call three lengths. There are three lengths. So here you see the length 7, the shorter one, the length 25, the medium one, and then 99, which is the longer one. So any indicator is described by the color. Any line is described by the color. So you see this one yellow, it means it is this yellow line here. This one pink, you see this one pink is this pink line here. You see this one, purple is this one. This is the longer one, the 99 length. So you and I agree that when the 99 length, which is this one, is up, then the next is the 25. Middle, it is center, and the 7 is down. The 7 is down. It is a downtrend. Downtrend, okay? So this is showing 1 hour time frame. Now let's go on 15 minutes because I always say I first check on 1 hour before I go on 15 minutes. So I'm going on the shorter time frame. You see, good. What are you seeing here? It is pointing down. Even though you are seeing green candle here, but it is a downtrend. Downtrend. Very, very down. Look, 99 here, 25 here, and the 7th, which is the bigger is up, the middle one is center, and the smaller one is down. So the crossing over, which is the dead cross. Dead cross. In the trading, we have golden cross and dead cross. When the golden cross happen, it means uptrend. When the dead cross happen, it means downtrend. So you see the dead cross. You see? Yeah, the dead cross. I'm talking about this. Those who used to come in our Zooms, they know what I mean. Dead cross here. This one is the longer 99. Cross here. This one is the 25. And this one is the 7. So 7 down. 25 and here. So it is downtrend. Okay. So short deal. Now I'm going to try it with $5. Create. I understand. So if they say short, it means you are predicting if the coin is falling down, may the robot sell for you to make the profit. So I will come here and shift it to the short. Here now it is on long. I'm going to shift it to the short. So I tap on the short for it to become white. So now it is on the short. I'm now going to the trade settings. So before, in future, there's no chance that, how do you call it? The time is really, really limited because anything can change in a blink of eye. So you make sure you make your first buy amount finished, then you go and correct your settings. Don't sit down there and say, I'll be thinking, what is the margin call? What is this and that? No, the coin will not wait for you. You have to be fast and go for the coin. Then you come back and correct your settings. I hope it's clear for you. So create manually. Then I go and choose a strategy. I tap on it. Then I'm going to pick something for first buy amount $5. So here, $15 capital future, then I'll pick this. Okay, great. So if I'm buying the coin in future, they show you, the system show you the quantity that you buy, the quantity. So by typing the quantity, it will show you the amount of money. So the amount of money that will appear here, you have to multiply it by the leverage that you are going to choose, the leverage. So if here is showing $5 and your leverage is times 10, then it means you have to multiply this $5 times 10 and put here 50. Is the message clear? Let me see in the chat. Is the message clear? Are you following? Is the message clear? If you don't get it, I'll repeat it. Is the message clear, please? If it's clear, put 1 in the chat. And very simple. If it's difficult, say no. I'll repeat it for you. We are learning today. I'm giving you the package today on how to pick your signal so that you will stop waiting for leaders to send you signal. Someone say no. Someone say no. Did you come late? Okay. Did you come late? Okay, let me start it again. I'll repeat once again. Yeah. If you are giving a try to something that you learn, try it with $5. Don't be greedy, because if you lose $5, it will not pain you like if you lose $100. So here, the first buy amount of the coin that you want to buy, if your first buy amount is $5, it means you have to type the number of the coin, meaning the quantity. How many arbitrary coins am I going to put here for me to see $5 here? So here, Royal Key has already put in the default settings that for me to get first buy amount, which is $5, I need to have 9.8 pieces of arbitrate. Once I type 9.8 pieces of arbitrate, then it will show me here that the amount that I'm going to put to have this 9.8 pieces arbitrate is $5. It means for me to get this 9.8 pieces arbitrate, I need to remove from my money $5 for me to be able to buy it. So this $5 showing here, $5 is the amount. $5 is the amount. Well, the minimum amount, $5, which is how many coins? 9.8 pieces of arbitrate. Okay, so which is $5. Now the next step is here, my leverage. Leverage means my profit that I'm asking, which is 1.1%. I want Binance to pay me times 10 the 1.1% if I win this trade called arbitrate signal. So this times 10, I have to multiply this number here times 10 for me to get here also 50, because 5 times 10 is 50, because I am asking Binance to give me times 10 of my profit, which is the leverage. So if my leverage is times 10, then I have to multiply the first buy amount times 10, which is 5 times 10, 50. If my leverage is times 3, if here is times 3, then I have to multiply this times 3 to get the results here. Let me see whether the message is clear. Those who say make I repeat. Have you understood it now, please? Have you understood it now, please? Have you understood it now, please? Okay, let's go. So I'm going to try with $5. So as my leverage is 10, it means my 1% profit that I want to make, I want it to be 11%, which is 1.1, 11% of the $5. So I have to come here and multiply this, which is, I'll remove the 8 and I'll put 0. So it's showing me 46. So I have to put 98. And I put, you see, when I put the 98, you see, when I remove the dot, which because it was 9.8, when I remove the dots, I put 98 pieces. 98 pieces. It is showing me now $50, which is 5 times 10, which is times this leverage. If I put $5 here, simple, and I didn't multiply it and I put this times 10 leverage, then my profit that I'm going to make will be divide by 10. I'll not make the sure profit that I need. Okay, so for me to make the good and sure profit that I want, I have to multiply the first buy amount by the leverage that I will put here. I hope the message is clear. So let me be fast. I'm going to buy it, save, confirm. Then I tap on start, activate, create. Okay, so now I will refresh my page for the robot to buy. Great, it has bought it. Now I'm going fast here to set the settings because I don't want him to take all my money. So I'll come to margin configuration because I'm giving it a try. So I used to manage my portfolio. Margin configuration. So let's say it has bought $5. So now here the margin call says 0.5, 0.5. It means the next buy, if it want to buy, may it buy half of the $5, half of the $5, half of the $5, which is $2.5. $2.5 because half of dollar is $2.5, $2.5. So $2.5 times 2, it's giving me $5. Okay, plus the first buy amount $5, which will be $10. So I want to use maximum $10 on this try that I'm going to try. So I'll come here to the next call to stop the robot to not use my money to buy again. Then I'll put 99. 99, it means 99% times the leverage, which is 10, which is 999%. I want the robot to wait when the coin for 999%. So it means it is impossible mission. So it will not buy the third call. Then I save it. Then I save it. Then I save it. Confirm. Okay? So I confirm it. You see, I have to be fast. It has bought the first margin call. So this $75 that we are seeing here is divided by the 10 leverage, which is here times 10. The $75 is divided by 10, which is $7.5. $7.5. Are you seeing it? The robot has used $7.5. So it remains $2.5 that it will use. Okay. Now, second skill. If you have the small capital, I have learned it from one leader in our group there, and I'm thanking him. I think he's from Kenya. I tried it and it's working perfectly. Once the robot buy your coins for you, if you are trading, and your money is small, you want to manage it. According to what he explained, if it buys for you, you have to turn this AI off it and on this, which is the default settings of the robot. You on it. You on the second one. See, I wasn't fast, so it bought the two margin calls. It bought the two margin calls. You see, as it bought it, it has reduced the floating loan. But no worries. You see, so I off this margin call and I will on this. Okay, so when I on it, it means I am telling the robot to prevent my money to not use faster my money. Okay, so now it will not use, it will only buy at the proper time when it sees that the coin has gone deeply deep before it will buy the next call, which is the third call, because here it bought two margin calls, the third call. So if the coin is dropping down, going deep down in floating loss, in between 20, which is negative 20 and negative 40% floating loss, because ladies and gentlemen, remember, everything here, if you see here minus 20%, it means it is in real time minus 2%, because that 20 that you will be seeing here on your floating loss here is divided into the leverage. It's divided by the leverage that you put. So if you see your coin future minus 20% floating loss, it means in real time it is minus 2%, not 20. Okay, so you earn this AI call to prevent the robot taking too much your remaining money. Then if the coin goes down deep to negative between 20% to 40% floating loss, then you come here and off this one and on here, off this one and on here, then it will buy for you. So it means you are getting the coin, your next call drop, which is your next buying, you are getting more pieces at the cheaper price. So let's assume here, you see, he bought 2 times. He bought 2 times. And how many pieces have I got? I got 1.96 pieces of this arbitrage. Okay. So as I up this and on here, it will not buy now. So for me, I'll be praying for this coin to fall down well, to drop well, to like negative 20%. Then I'll come and open this part and close here for it to buy. So what does it mean? It means if it go down to minus 20%, I'm going to get more pieces of the coin at a cheaper price. So let's assume the first margin call drop. It bought for $2.5, half of $5. So that half of $5, maybe I got maybe 20 pieces of the coin, 20 pieces of this arbitrage. So that 20 pieces, if the coin drop down to negative 20% or 40%, big negative, it means that same amount of money, which is $2.5, that $2.5 will make me or allow me get, instead of 20 pieces, I can get like 40 pieces because it has dropped down. So that same $2.5 can allow me get 40, 30, or 50 pieces. No, not 20 pieces again, because 20 pieces means I bought it at a higher price. So once it's dropping down, then I'll get like 40 pieces of the coin with that same $2.5. Is the message clear? Let me see whether you have followed it, what I explained. Is the message clear, please? Have you understood it? Have you understood it? That is where you make more money than what you even expected. That is how you make more money than what you expected. That is where you make more money than what you expected. If on this coin, this trade, it has bought how much? It has bought for $10, because this $101 that you are seeing here is divided into 2 minutes, 10.10 cents. Okay, $10. So on this $10, I'm asking 1.1%. Listen to me. 1.1%. Okay, I'm asking 1.1%. So this 1.1% will be multiplied times 10. So let's go in the calculator and say it. 1.1%. Okay. Calculator. Sorry, let's go to the calculator. Today we are not moving here until you understand it. We are not moving here to understand everything. Calculator, okay. So here, 1.1% times 10. You see, you make 11 cents on your $10. Sorry. Let me see. Let me do it again. $10 times 1.1%. You see, you are going to make 11 cents. 11 cents, okay? $10 times 1.1%, you are going to make 11 cents. Now multiply it by that 10 leverage times 10. You see, you make $1.1. Oh my God, you see, you don't need 12 million to make money. Your $10 settings, you will make $1.1 on each winning trade. So now imagine if you trade 5 winning trades. You trade 5 successful signals. 5 signals times 5 times 5. How much? You are going to make 50% of your $10. Are you seeing it? $5. No, 55%. Because $5 of how do you call it? 50% of $5 is how much? Sorry, 50% of $10 is $5.5. Let's calculate it. On each $10, if you are able to trade, as I explained, 5 successful signal in a day, then you will make $5 profit on your $10 capital. Meaning you are making in a day 50% of your capital. So just imagine if you have $100 strategy and you are trading it, or $50. What do you think you will make? Now, the mathematicians, are you understanding what I mean? Are you not getting what I mean? Are you not getting what I mean? No work today, oh. If that, tell your boss to wait, because here we are talking about how you get money. So call your boss and tell your boss to wait. Are you getting? Someone is in his room. Are you getting what I mean? Yeah. Now tell me why you go and say Royal Q is not good. There is no money in Royal Q. This one is the trading. Now the Jala side, you get extra from the Jala side. That one also, if you are smart, which is the sharing part. Eh? Royal Q says tell your boss to wait. Oh, today you are on holidays. Tell your boss that you are sick. Tell your boss that you are sick. Start telling your boss that you are sick. So now imagine with your $10, you make minimum 50% on your $10. Now imagine on your $100, you make 50%. How much? $50 profit. $50 profit on your $100. So $50 times 7, how much? 350. Your $100 will give you $350 in 7 days. Now you see, me, I have calculated it since, and I say no. Now, hey, floating loss, me, I will liquidate Binance. Binance will no longer liquidate since they have liquidated by $500. I went and take $120 from another exchange and put it in the future. That 120, I am now on 1,200. I will show you. 1,200 with my $120, because I sat down and make my calculation. So now don't play. Go and do the same thing. Go and duplicate it. Try it. If it works, you share it to your downlines. If it is working for them, you are not even going to send to share the business. They will bring customers for you, because oh my goodness, somebody who is making me getting money. I'll make sure to go and pack my family, my village people, my pastor, my imam, everybody in my village to come and do that same business. So you see, you see how sweet it is. Yeah, don't stress yourself. Since I discovered this, me, I'm no longer going on Trading View again. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. If you see me on Trading View, it means I'm going to draw how much profit I'll make and save it in my Trading View app. No, 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 no. Royalty has made things easy. Yeah, it is recorded. So if you get it, ladies and gentlemen, listen to me, because this is how I do. Any Zoom that I go and I see that it is pepper, fire, and it is very good, I make sure I put it somewhere in a cool place for me to not lose it. Lie. I create a group on my Telegram, a group where there's nobody, and my special videos, I put them there. So in my future coming years or days, if I get a prospect or a downline, I simply go there and pick it and give it to him. I will show you. Simply go there and pick it. I will not even go and waste my time to go and look for the videos on YouTube, because on the YouTube, remember, we used to put so many videos that if you want to go and look for them, let's imagine this Zoom today. Maybe in 3 months or 5 months, you will need it. Now, will you tell me that you go and take your time, be looking number 1, number 2, number 3, up to number 100? No, 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 no. That's why I say you have to be smart. Now, I will show you how I do that after I explain this. You take that video, you create a watch list on your YouTube, and you give it a name. Aminata'S special video, Doris special video. On your YouTube, you can do it. You create a group on your Telegram, and you give it a name. Aminata'S special video, future trading special video. Then you put it there. It will stay there for eternity. You don't need to lose it. You see, you don't need to lose it. So you have to be smart and be organized. Okay? Now let's go. So you see, on your $10, you can make $5, which is 50%. So let's assume this one works. Okay? And I know it will work. If it's sell, I'll come and show you. Me, I'm not afraid of floating loss. You see, from negative 4%, now it has reduced to 2%. So let's say when I was on floating loss, negative 4%. If somebody took that same coin, the person will have come out from the market because it went in floating loss and you see it late. You see now it's from -4, it is on -1%. It will say and I'll come and share it to you. Try it, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't give it a try, you cannot understand it. Okay? So that is it. Now, the last part. If you are trading, eh? Manage your money. Trade, please, according to your money. For example, that $100 that I said, if you have in your future account, you use $40. So if you want to trade 2 coins, you make sure you have $200. Then you take 2 times 40, which is 80. Then it will remain the 120 there. If you want to go for 3 coins, then it means you need to have $300. Then you do that 40 times 3. Is the message clear for you? Is the message home? Is it clear for you? Is the message clear, ladies and gentlemen? Is the message clear? Someone say, the Adonis, if I don't see, I will hold you. I beg, leave my Trini there. She's doing too much. Is the message clear? Now, let's go for the part that I love. How to calculate your money. Because me, the 120 that I paid for this year, if I not see 10,000 profit, I'll not leave it. No, 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 no. Let's go. Okay. Let's say somebody have $100. Let me share some of my strategies that are working perfectly. Okay. What you are seeing here is because today I didn't, I was like, I'm going to work and I'm tired. I came back from my journey. So let me share my profit for you to see. When I come here, okay, I tap here. No, this is user guide. When I come on benefit, you see, now, when I was talking to you, this thing was $12. Now I don't know where the $1 came from. I made one. Oh, the ING has sold. Yeah, 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 yeah. You see, guys, $10 capital. Look at what it gave to me. Bam! Ooh la 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 la. Let me show you what I did yesterday. Yesterday, signal. I gave it a try. You see, ING and WLD. Now let's go. Let me show you the ING. When I tap here, I'm going for ING. I don't know. I think it is this morning that I sent it. ING. ING. I sent it this morning, I think. This morning. The ING. The same short deal. You see, 15 minutes is going up. 1 hour is going up. Let me go and show you the history. So where do you see the history of your trades? You come here. Okay? Or you shift it from left to right. You shift your screen from left to right. Then it will show you. Let me shift it. You see, I have shifted it. Now it will show you the last cycle that you traded, which means the last signal, the last trade that you did on this coin, particular coin. It will show you everything, the information's here. Are you seeing it? Now, I did one cycle on this coin. Now, which time did I started the trade? You see what I was telling you? It was today, this morning, 6 a.m., 6:52 a.m., my time here, when I woke up. It is not the time I told you if you want to pick the signal, short deal, it will sell for you. You see, I said in between 5 and 7. So 6 to 7, I was in a good deal. You see? So I pick it here, starting time, you see? And it has sold. It has already sold. Where is it? You see? Starting time. And how many hours did it take to sell and close the deal? It took 4 hours, 26 minutes. Are you seeing? You have all the information on all your history. So if anybody come and tell you lie, you just go on Royalty and ask Royalty. He will show you the truth. Okay? You see? The trade started 6, which is 7. Let's see. 8, 9, 10, 11. It has sold 11 a.m. And the time now is 11. Look at it. From 6, we are 11 a.m. I am 11 a.m. Are you seeing the time here? 11 a.m. It is up there. Now, the time now in my country is 11:20. So 4 hours it has sold for me. You see? 4 hours. Okay? And here, let me see. It has sold. Hey, it has sold. The signal hasn't closed though. but it has sold what we call the sub sell. Hey, God, you see the sub position from the fifth cell. I have been greedy from the fifth cell. You see? Now, let's show you. Let me show you. When I tap here, what you are seeing here is total amount $120. You are seeing $1,219 is divided by 10. By 10. It's divided by 10. So it means it is 120. 120, okay? $120 as capital. Now, this trade, if you close here, I will make up to $20 profit on the $120. Because now it has sold, it has bought from the fifth buy where the extra money jara is. Now let me type here. I even mistakenly said it's closed. It didn't close yet. Now I type here, you will see. When I type here, you see. When I type here, look, in my sub cell, which is the margin call from the fifth margin call, it has given me $1. Hey, so let's imagine the coin didn't go up and is falling down zigzaga, zigzaga. And on each call, I'm making $1. $1. $1. Imagine. $1, $1. This robot can sell in the sub cell like up to 100 times or 50 or 40. So this $1 times 30 or 40 or 50, you see, I'll make extra 50 or $40 from this trade without even counting the first to the fourth margin call. You see? Now, anyway, I have nothing to lose. So why won't I be greedy? I'm going to be greedy and make even $1.5 on each sub cell. So I'm coming here. That is another skill. I tap here. On my distribute and take profit allocation, I come and tap here. You see, I put 1.5%. Now I want to be greedy because I don't care if it will take me 2 days or 3 days. I'll come and put like 1.8. Sorry. 1.8%. I want 1.8% on each sub cell. 1.8%. 1.8%. Remember, it is future trading. Everything can change in a blink of eye. 1.8%. Then I save it. Okay. So as I save it here again. Confirm. So it means this coin, it's on a long. It means I predicted it to go long, which means to go up and sell for me. To go up and sell for me. Okay. So now it is on its way. So if you didn't take this signal yet, you can go for it because me, I am in floating. It means the price has gone cheaper than what I am expecting. So if you enter it now, you will make your profit. You will come out faster from the market than me. Okay. So I have increased it. When it sells, I will come and show you, ladies and gentlemen. So this is how you can make some good money in your trade by picking your own signal. So you see, the let me take a screenshot. Look at here. Let me make it big. Are you seeing here? Look, I'll wide it. Wait, let me wide it. Are you seeing here? What is following here? The bullish candles. 1, 2, 3, following each other. Bullish candles like this, without tail and head. You see, without peak, without tail and neither head. I'm talking about this and this. They are following each other, and the smallest length, which is the seventh length, was trying to go down, but it is retracing back up. So it will sell for me, either I like it or not, because it is pointing up. So I hope the message is clear. Let me check here and see in 5 minutes. You see 5 minutes, the crossing wonderful over has happened. The golden cross has happened in the 5 minutes. So it will sell. It will sell and I will come and share it to you. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for your precious time being here, for your precious patience. I beg. We better have this recording. So, ladies and gentlemen, Okay, yeah. So please, the who is iPhone says, since I have joined Royal Q, I have downloaded. Sir, if you download it, your phone will full, and you are forced now to delete it. So now I have remembered what I promised. How do you do it? Let's go. Are you ready for me to share to you so that you avoid to 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 make your phone full for nothing? Do you want me to share with you how you put a video on your watch list and also how to put it on your Telegram? Can I go for it, please? If you are okay with that. Can I go for it? Okay, let's go. So I hope I'm sharing my screen. Now you see here, when you come on your Telegram, let's go on my Telegram first, then I'll go on YouTube. This is Telegram. Okay? I tap on Telegram. You will see here that I have what we call special videos. Special video de Aminata is in French. Special video de Aminata. When I tap on it, I come here. You see, there's nobody here. It's only 3 members. Me, myself, which is I am my own downline, and I am my own at the same time my own upline. You see, technical analyst. I put it here and I give it a name. Technical analyst step 4. Meaning the Zoom that we do every in the morning. Sometimes I used to miss it because I'm busy looking for signals. So I make sure after each Zoom, when the Doris put it on the YouTube, I put it here. Now you see, technical analysis step 4. Anything that is important, I put it here. If I need my Royal Q link to forward it to somebody or to share it to somebody, it is here. I don't need to go and log in and log out. I put it here and I give it a name. Aminata Jeminipa Royal Q. This is the mail that's linked to my Royal Q. You see, everything is here. You see, back office presentation. I gave it a name. It is here. Now, how do you do that? When you come on your Telegram group, I think you will type here. Okay? Sorry. You will come here and type here on the 3 lines, if I'm not mistaken. Then you will type on new group. Listen, new group. Let me see whether you are following. Are you following, please? Are you following, please? Okay, you tap on new group, okay? Because this year, dear me, I'm not joking with this Royal Q. All my floating loss, but all the money that I lose in those stupid scam business, I will make it in this year. I will make it in this year. Okay, new group. Then you tap on new group. You tap on new group, then you give it a name, okay? Before you give it a name, you have to add somebody there. Just to add like one person for you to be able to give it the name. Then, if it is somebody in your family or somebody who have Telegram, you put the name here. Then you add. So let's say I want to add my own, how do you call it? Trusted downline, which is Julia. My downline, my sister, she follow me to everywhere I'm going. Every country, she decides to follow me. I tap her name. You see, I have put Julia here. Okay? I put Julia here. Then I save it, send. Okay? Now, I put Julia. Sorry. After putting Julia, oh, sorry, I have made a mistake. Let me go back here. I type here. I put Julia, okay? Now, when you put, before you confirm the Julia, then you give the group a name. The group that you are going to create, you have to give it a name. Let me see here. I type here, great. Aminata and Julia, okay? Aminata and Julia, then here, I delete it. Then I put Doris video. Doris video. I can say leader Doris video. Videos, okay? Very simple. You see? Then I save it. I tap here and I save it. I have saved it, okay? Now I'm going back. I come out here. Now, you see? If I'm looking for that name, I come on. Sorry. I simply come here. and I search for the name. When I tap here, I put Leader Doris group. Where is it? You see, Leader Doris video. It is here, Leader Doris videos. Now, I'm going to YouTube. I hope you are following. I'm going to YouTube. YouTube, okay? I tap on YouTube. Now, I'm going for the videos, okay? Let's say, for example, I go to Leader Doris channel. I tap here, then I go here. Doris Angel, you see? Or Aminata video, okay? Or I go to my channel. This is my channel, for example, Aminata Crypto World. Aminata Crypto World. When I tap on it, then I'm going for a special video, okay? So when you come to the channel, to the person's channel where you need the video, you make sure you type on the picture of that person, the picture, the photo of the person's account. When you tap on it, then it will bring you straight to the person's homepage, that owner of the channel's homepage. Then you go for videos. You see, archive means the homepage, short, the direct, the live, and the video. And this is the playlist. The persons that you are going on her channel, the playlist that the person has created, you can also get it there. So you come on video, you type on video. When you type on video, then you take one video, you scroll down, then you look for one video. For example, here, this video is called How to Set Fibonacci Settings. It's a powerful video for me, so I tap on it. So when I tap on it, I come here to this place. Look, this place here. Then I'll be shifting these things. You see, I am shifting it. You shift it, you shift it, you shift it. So my screen is in French. Sorry. My screen is in French, but what matters here is the icon, not the language. So this icon here, this icon here, this icon. You see, after the scissors, after these scissors, we move to the next, which is this icon. It means register, to register the video, not to download. To register it, yeah, register it, okay? If you want to put on your playlist, you have to register it. But if you are sending it to your Telegram, then you come here, you tap on share. You tap on share, you will see this icon here. It means share, share. When you tap on it, then you will see WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, messengers, anywhere you want to send it. Then you simply tap on the Telegram. When I tap on the Telegram, where am I going to send it? I'm going to send it to Leader Doris videos. Here is it. Leader Doris videos. Then I tap on it and I send it. So when I send it, it will appear in the Leader Doris group that I created without anybody. Okay? So when I send it, for me to not be confused, because I will send many videos, I pin it like this. Then I give it a name. Fibonacci settings. That is the title of the video. Fibonacci settings. You see? Then bingo. So anytime I need Fibonacci settings, when I'm reading it, if I type here, it will bring me straight, even though the video is up, it will bring me straight to the video. You see? When I pin it, you see? It is pointing me that it is this video. It is this video that I need. Is it difficult? No, very simple. Now let's go to the playlist. If you want to create a playlist on your YouTube channel. When you come on your YouTube channel, this is your YouTube channel homepage. Okay, let's go. I hope you are following. Let me see. Are you following? Please let me see in the chat whether you are following. Are you following, please? Are we together? Are you following, please? Let me see. Are you following, please? Great, let's go. So you come here because if you are doing something online and the thing is sweet, you will go and do the network part. It means you will do the advert because you cannot keep it for only you. I bought this woman Bengu or Wanche or this woman fufu, which is the fufu. This restaurant, the food is too sweet. The food that they used to cook there is too sweet. So because the food was too sweet in my mouth, anytime I am sleeping, I'll be dreaming about that food. Sometimes I went to Accra, I went to Koforidua, I went to Kampala, I went to Johannesburg, and I ate. I went to one woman's restaurant. This woman restaurant there, the food is too sweet. What does it mean? You are doing the marketing for that woman. But the difference is that that woman doesn't know you. The woman will not even give you, she will not even give you silly. The woman will not even give you penny. The woman will not even give you 1 cent. But you are automatically doing the advert for the woman. So all human beings are born to do advert without even knowing. I bought one shoe. Maybe the shoe or the cloth is Nike or Adidas. When I wear the shoe, people are looking at my, madam, this your shoe dear is very beautiful. Oh, it's very nice. So where did you buy it? I bought it from Nike. I bought it from Adidas. Now the question is, the Adidas owner, does he know you? Is he even aware that you are doing network marketing for his company? You will not get paid. Now, why if they tell you to do to share what you are doing that is giving you money? You'll be saying, no, I am shy. No, me, I don't feel like make I talk. No, I am doing and it's not working. You are doing and it's not working. But the Adidas shoe that you wear, you are doing the advert for the Adidas company without knowing. So why don't you use that same mouth to do the advert that you are doing on Adidas? Do it on your own business instead of you going on TikTok showing your face and your bambi. You will be showing your bambi and your face. That your face. How much are you selling it on TikTok? Will TikTok pay you? The answer is no. TikTok will not pay you. You will go on Facebook showing your nyash and your breast, the cloth that you wear, showing it to people. Will Facebook pay you? The Facebook will not pay you. So why don't you use that wasting time that you are putting your pictures there without getting paid? Why don't you use that time to make the advert of your company, the business that you are doing? Nobody is forcing you to go and show anybody. You just keep on sending it there. Keep on sending it. You keep on doing it consistently. You see somebody's result, go and put it. You don't mention anybody's name. Today you wake up, you pick somebody's result, you show it. Somebody sent something that is good about what you are doing. You post it there. Don't think that people are not asking. They are watching you. Until one day when we come and say, Abba, this woman, what now? Since 2021. You are talking about only this thing. I bet make I ask you. If I see you talking about this thing since 2021, it means that there is money inside. Then you will get the person. Yes. You don't need people to be coming and telling you, oh, the Aminata, what you post today, I like it. Oh, the Aminata, what you post today, I don't like it. No, you don't care. I don't care. I'm just sending it. If you like, watch it. If you like, don't watch it. On my WhatsApp TikTok, when I started posting this royalty, before I was not serious. But even my enemies, even my exes, they are now watching me like video. Like, if you are watching all this movie, you watch part 1, you watch part 2, that they are watching me. Morning, afternoon, and evening. My people that are following me, they are growing. Before it was in between 10 and 13. Now, even my enemies, even our people that left Royal Q for something else, they are following me. It means they get interest in what I'm posting, even though they don't like it. At the moment they follow and see what I am posting there, it means they like it, but they cannot tell me, they cannot ask me. It means they are getting interest, but they cannot come and tell me. Yes, my enemies are watching it, my lovers are watching it. So it means I have gotten power. I don't care if you ask me or not. Me, I am posting it because I don't pay light bill. I don't pay water bill. I don't pay any government tax. It is free. Only 1 minute. You put it. The water we send there. Did WhatsApp write on it that this one doesn't belong to Aminata? This one is not Aminata's idea? No. I put it there because WhatsApp will not come and tell you this one is OBM idea. Aminata has copied. No. I'll just arrange it and post it there. So who want to look, he will look. So since I am doing it, now my followers are growing. From 13, now I am on 70, 60, 50. Sometimes they will be watching it. So it means what I'm doing is good. Yeah. But if they tell you, no, I'm doing it, it's not working. No, people are not following. You are doing it wrong. Yes. No, people in my country now, they don't have money. So it's very hard if you are from Ghana. Ghanaians, are they only living in Ghana? Can't you use Facebook? You go on Facebook, you type Ghana community in Canada, Ghana community in Germany, Ghana community in Japan. You will see them free. Why are you staying on only your comfort zone? If Ghanaians in Ghana said they don't have the money, can't you move to Ghanaians in Nigeria, Ghanaians in France? You'll be there. No, they are not following me. No, it's very hard. It means you don't need the money. Don't sit there. We will eat the money and leave it to you. Leave you there. Let's go. So, ladies and gentlemen, here is it. You go on your YouTube. So on your YouTube, this place, mine is written in French. This means you. This one means you with your picture. So on your YouTube, you can illustrate and put your beautiful picture on your page. Listen to me, that also works. It works. Everything is free. Informations are free. Nobody is unique. You have to use. So here, wait, this call, make it stop before I continue. Okay, so you see here on the YouTube, the YouTube channel, this is you. If you want to use, you can also use your YouTube. No money, you will not pay any money. Free. You put nice picture. Don't go and put picture with you in singlet or you in your bed with your hair. Your hair that maybe one is at Koforidia, one part is at Takradi, another part of your hair is at Elibo border. No, you have to make professional picture and put it there to attract people so that if they see you, they will say, yes, that woman, this woman seems like she has money, oh. But if I tell you that where I come from is maybe it is Panko House, will this my picture tell you that I come from Panko House? No. But if you see it, you will respect me there. You see? So this is you. You put a nice picture there. Don't be afraid of what you are doing. If what you are doing is legit and you are not scamming people and it's good, then you have to be proud of yourself. You put your nice and beautiful picture there. Okay? So this is you. This is you, okay? So let's say you are going to watch somebody's video. You come on the homepage here. On the homepage, you type the name of the channel that you want to watch. For example, this is my wonderful, beautiful twinny called the Angel, Doris Angel. When I tap here, and I need Doris Angel's video, maybe today's Zoom that Doris Angel did, and I miss it, I will first of all come and type on Doris Angel's picture here for it to bring me to her page. When I tap on it, then bingo, this is Doris Angel's page, okay? She has named it Royal Crew Revolution there because we are doing the revolution. Then you look for the video. Okay, so which one am I going to look? Royal Q business presentation, okay? When I tap on it. So when I tap on it, I'll come to this part here. You see, here means to like, to share, remix, download. Don't download. If you download it, you will just waste the memory of your phone for nothing. Don't download it. Before you'll be getting the person's videos updated always, make sure to subscribe on the channel. Subscribe on the channel so that anytime the person drop any video, you will get the notification on top of your phone here telling you that this person has put this video, and it will show you the title of the video, the name of the video. Okay, so once you miss the Zoom, you come here, you shift it here, you come on the video. This is the video. Okay, so you shift this place here, shift it. So after this scissors here, the next with this icon, you tap on it. Then it will tell you register in what? You want to register it where? So if you are doing it for the first time, Then you create a playlist here. It means you are creating a contact. Leader Aminata talked to me on the phone. She called me last night. So for me to not lose the Aminata's number, then I'm going to create a contact. I'm going to save her number. So you are coming to save it here. So you will give it a name. You create a contact. So how will I put Leader Aminata's number? I'll give a name, Aminata Crypto, or Aminata Royal Q, or Aminata Crypto Ambassadors, so that if the day I need Aminata, I have to go and type Aminata Crypto Ambassadors to get Aminata's contact. So it's the same thing with the video. So I'm giving it a name, the new playlist. Mine is in French because I am in a French country. You type it here, then you give it a name. New playlist, you give it a name here. Then you can say Doris Video or technical training. Okay? Technical training. You give it a name. Or signals. If the video is about signals, you give it a name. Signals video. Signals video. Okay, you give it a name, or how to set a trade. You create and give it a name. So you can create so many contacts, so many playlists as in your telephone. You have so many contacts. I have Doris contact, I have Julia, I have this OBM, I have this. Yeah, the same thing. You are not going to pay anything, and it will be never full as far that your YouTube account is there forever. Those playlists that you create will be there forever. Okay. So when you give it a name, for example, Signal, and you tap on create. So once you create it, then bingo, the name is there. Now, if you want to see where that video, where did you put it in your playlist, then you come here on your homepage. Okay? Go back to your homepage. This is your homepage. This is your homepage with your picture here and the name of your YouTube. Okay? Your homepage. This is your homepage. Then you come here, you see historic means the, how do you call it, history of your homepage, like the call that you make, this and that, the latest video that you watch. Then you will see playlist. It will show you playlist. It will show you the latest video that you watch, the latest thing that you created, or the latest thing that you did on your YouTube channel. So on your playlist, when you tap on it, then it will bring you the name. You see, the latest name on my playlist is this. You see here, this. Wait, this somebody is calling me. Make the person. I think I receive the call, please, and I'll continue. Okay, you will see here, ladies and gentlemen, here your playlist that you created. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? You see here. So now, if I want to know where is my playlist, for example, I want next video. When I come here and I'm looking for next video, for example, this video. When I okay. So here I want to put this video on the playlist that I created. So I come here, I tap on register, okay? Register. Then when it comes here, I'll put it to the signal playlist that I created. So I'll remove this. I'll remove this and I'll take the name of where I want to put the video. On my playlist, you see signal. Then I tap on okay. Then fetish. Okay, you see? So it means I have put 2 videos in my signal playlist. So you see, signal playlist, you will see the number of video that you put there. You see? Are you seeing it? When you tap here, it shows me the 2 videos. You see, Doris video and the new one that I put. So in my playlist called Signal, that is it. In my playlist called Signal, I have 2 videos. So if I need it anytime, I have to come on my playlist and type Signal, then I will see those videos. So you see another playlist here. You see here, this playlist here is the playlist of my French Royal Q students. My French Royal Q student, you see the name here. My French Royal Q student, look here. I give it a name. So your playlist is this place. You see, all this place is your playlist. So if you want to see all your playlists that you created, then you tap on show all here. Then it will show you all your playlists. You see, the last playlist is this one, Signal, where I used to put all the Doris videos. The other one is another playlist where I used to put all my French videos from my Royal Q members. You see, 102 videos. Another playlist here is where I pick the future trading that they do in the morning. You see, 33 videos. So you see, if I need any video, I just come here and pick it. That is what we call an organized trader who is taking really serious care of the business that he or she is doing. So let me stop here. Thank you very much. May God bless you all for your precious time, for your precious patience, and may God bless our business. Viva. If there is any question, you can ask because they are calling me in the here. Is there any question, please? Is there any question, please? Sorry, is there any question, please? Thank you very much. Is there any question, please? Let me see. Is there any question? Let me see in the chat. Okay, I hope everybody understood it because I made it very simple. I spoke very simple English. Okay, so thank you very much. We catch on for next class, next learning.
Tony,
Yes, please.
Tony, please, there are some questions. I think you missed them. There is one important one that someone was asking if you can use the same strategy for sport. So the messages are many, but those were some of the popular questions that they asked. That's how do sports traders benefit from this strategy? Thank you.
Okay, you are most welcome. So the strategy that I did here, let me share it once again. You know, it's not the same thing, but you can use your own strategy of sport trading to trade in the sport because sport and future are two different things, according to my experience. Okay, let me share it. I even forgot where I used to share. Where will I share the screen? Hey, Aminata'S. Wait.
Share, then screen, yeah.
Écran, okay, it's in French, écran, okay. So you see, let me explain to you. It's the same thing, but you have to do some small changes, okay? When I come on Royal Q, now you see the arbitrage. You see the try. Look at the arbitrage. Are you seeing it? Is it not in green? Are you seeing it? So you try it and see. It is working. So I'm going to my strategy settings. Strategy settings, you see, every strategy that I create, I make sure to give it a name. Yeah, you see $30 is for future settings times 10. So let me type on the $30 and explain something to you. Here, I use 10x. It means anything that I'm asking for as profit, I want it times 10. And the leverage affects the first buy amount, the percentage, and the margin call drop, which is this settings here, plus the allocations, the distribute and take profit allocation. So, yeah, when I tap on the margin configuration, you can see that here I put 0.2, this side. That side doesn't matter. This side doesn't matter, okay? So it means anything that you are seeing here, 0.2, it is times 10 because my leverage is 10 and I gave the signal a name. I gave the strategy a name. So 0.2 means in a real or in a settings of the future is 2%, not 0.2 because it is 0.2 times 2%. 0.2 times 10 leverage. So if the leverage is times 5, it means this 0.2 is times 5. Okay? So If you have your strategy for spot, may it remain on spot. But if you want to trade the future, then you do this way, okay? Because I set the call drop according to the leverage. So you cannot use this 0.2 in the spot trade. No. At least in your spot trade, you have to do, if you have a small capital, like 1% for the first call. And I forgot something to tell you. Let me explain. 1.5 for the next call, 2% for the next call, and 2.5 for the next one. It means this strategy, I have learned it from a great leader, Leader Musa. Thank you very much for your strategy. It's very, very wonderful. In a trading, my guys, sorry, ladies and gentlemen, if you are setting your trade, you have to increase the next call progressively. You don't support to make it the same thing at the same level. Like for example, here 1%, and here 1%, here 1%. It doesn't make sense. It means by doing that, you are asking the robot to buy the same quantity at the same level. Either the coin is dropping down or not. And remember, our goal here is to buy the coin at the cheaper rate, more cheaper. Next call, I'm making sure to buy my cryptos at a cheaper price, to get more crypto at the cheaper price. So if I do everything one here, the same percentage, that it means I am doing the same thing. I'm not benefiting from the drops of the percentage on that particular coin. So in sport, the settings may not be the same thing as in the future settings. But the signal, if we send it and we are sending it as long, then you can sometimes trade it in the spot market. I repeat, if we send a signal in the future trade, you can also benefit it in the spot market by doing it long. That is my experience. I'm not saying general. I've tried it and I see that it's working. So I hope I have answered you. I hope I have
Okay.
answered you.
My Twinnie, please,
Yeah.
even though this answer too was good, but another question is like you see how you use the
Mm-hmm.
strategy by going to crypto bubbles to check the 1 hour time frame, the 15
Yeah.
minutes, then
Mm-hmm.
you came to Royal Q and using the moving averages. I think
Mm-hmm.
that is what the person was asking, if you
Yeah.
can use that strategy to
Yes.
enter
Yes.
into the spot trades
Yes.
as well. Yeah.
Yes. You can use it. You can use it because the cryptos here, they didn't mention any spot, neither future. Do you agree with me? It's crypto in general. So if you see it green, if you are using spot, you go for spot. But if you see in red, you cannot trade short in spot. Then if it is in red, it means you are going to trade it in the future, but in the short position. Is my answer clear? Has it replied to the question?
Yes,
Or let
the
me
person,
repeat.
yes, the
Okay.
person has replied. Okay, another
Okay.
question is someone is asking what percentage should be the first buy? What percentage should be the first buy?
In what? In future or in spot?
Yeah, I think the first buying amount. Sunday Odo asked that question.
The first buy amount. You make the strategy according to what you have as capital, as I said it. Maybe,
Exactly. Yeah.
maybe me, I have 1,000 and I make my first buy amount 50. You cannot come and copy my strategy of first buy amount 50 by you having $100 capital. Are you getting it? So if you want to make your first buy amount, for example, if you have $40 capital, either in future or in sport, I will request you to use 20% or 30% of your $40 of that your total amount of money you want to use in that strategy. Is that clear or make I repeat it again? For example, if you are using a strategy of $100, you have to make sure you use $30 or yeah, a strategy of $100. You have to use $30 as first buy amount or $20. Then the remaining $80 you spread it in the margin calls. Have I replied the answer?
Yes.
The question, please. Okay.
Yes, my twinnie. Another question is someone is asking BB, please, how do we know a coin is good for long or short from the crypto bubbles? I think he joined in late.
Maybe the person came late. So I
Yeah.
would give you last chance. If you come on crypto bubbles, what I usually use is 1 hour first, then 15 minutes. Okay. So if you are going to long the market, meaning you are going to trade it on a long. Okay. Now you see when I put 1 hour and 15, you see 15 minutes is red, 1 hour is green. It means it is vice versa. Not too much short deal. Not too much short deal. When I put on 15 minutes, you will see that all the coins are in red, few are in green. Okay. But when I put in 1 hour minute, 1 hour time frame, the same thing. Some are red, some are short. Then forget it. You forget it and come back. If you come back and you see that 15 minutes is showing this, you see here it's green. 15 minutes is also green. Then it means there is sure there's 70% chances for you to get a good coin here to enter. Are you getting it? Meaning green, it means I'm going for long. If I see here red, I'm going for short. Then when I tap on it, I first look on 1 hour. This is 1 hour. So if 1 hour is showing everything red here, both bigger, smaller, red, then it means I'm going to short the market. I'm going to pick a coin and short the market. So I'll pick the one which is the bigger one in the bigger ball. Yeah. If it's showing red, I'll go back now to 15 minutes. If 15 minutes is still showing the same coin in red here, then I go for it on Royal Q. Very simple. If you don't try it, you cannot know. If you are not sure, try it with only $5. I have tried it, and you see, it is already in profit. I took this one to make the example. It is already in profit. You see, 2%. Okay, next question, please.
Okay, the next question is how do we set the crypto bubbles watch list? That's the next question, please.
The crypto bubble watch list, you come here. You see here, there is plus. It will automatically show you from the first to the 100 top points because this one matches with coin market cap. I don't know whether it's the same honor, but it works the same thing like coin market cap. Coin market cap shows you the 100 top coins. Crypto bubbles also shows you the 100 top coins. So it's up to you. Do you want to follow from the first to the 100 top, or you want to follow from the 100 to the 200 top points in rank? So it's up to you. When you type there, are you seeing it? It shows me from 1 to 100. Sorry, let me go back. You come and type here. It shows you here from 1 to 100. You are the one who's supposed to take it. From number 1 to 100, the best 1 to 100. Now, the best 100 to 200, the best 200 to 300. So, you cannot tell me that you will leave the first 100 to 100 and go and choose top 300 to 400. No, you have to always stay on the first 100 to 200. Are you seeing it? The crypto bubbles has already put it there. So you are the one who's supposed to take it. So I have taken, you see here, I have taken the number 1 to the 100 top coins in terms of rank. Now, if I want to know number 100 to the 200 top coins, then I take this one. Then it shows me here the 100 to the 200 top coins. Are you seeing it? It will no longer show me those ones Bitcoin and so on. So no, it will show me the other coins from number 100 to number 200. So let me go back here. Then I tick the 100 first 200 top coins. So have I answered the question, please? Now, next question.
The next question is someone said, I just downloaded the crypto bubble. What are the settings on the bubble content and size on? Should it remain on performance as it is? I think because
That
yours
one,
is in
yeah,
French, and that's why they
yeah,
were.
that one is also up to you. If you want to make any settings, you come here, you tap on the plus. Okay? When you tap on the plus, then you will see here, mine is in French. Here is the time frames. You see, these place are the time frames. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, week, month, and 3 months, year. Okay? So I have ticked 1 day. Then if you want to use the time frame, when you go back. Okay, let's go. So you see here, it usually shows you 1 day. So you are the one who's supposed to be putting the time frame manually, okay? But here you can select. You see, I want the ones that are performing well. What do I want? I want the ones that are performing well. Then I tick performance. I want the ones that are ranking well. Then I tick rank. Okay? I want the ones here you will be changing it manually according to your needs. I want to see which coin is performing in terms of rank. Then I tap here. I want to see the capitalization on the coin, the money that was invested on the coin or is invested on the coin. Then I tap here. I want to see in 24 hours what's happened on the coins. Then I tap here. 24 hours. Then when I tap 24 hours, I go back to the screen. So it's showing me in 24 hours the ones that have performed well in the 24 hours. Here they are: USDC, Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, and Solana. Are you seeing it? Plus their percentage. Now, if I want something else, I go back again. I want to see in terms of rank, which one is the best? Rank, then I go back to the screen. You see, they show me the ranks here. The one that is performing number one in 1 day, which is today, is this coin called Ray with 8%. It shows you the coin with the 8%, which is performing well in green, and the ball will be big. So you do anything that you need manually by tapping here on the plus. Okay? I hope I have answered you. So me, I want the ones that are performing well. So I put it here. Performing well. Then I go back to my screen. Then now if I want to check in 15 minutes, in 1 day, or whatever it is, then I tap here. I shift here. This is 15 minutes. If I want to see 1 hour time frame, then I come here and I look for 1 hour time frame. Yeah. So have I replied you, please? Now, next question.
Yes, you have. The next question, I'll just take the last two questions because we can't spend the whole day here.
Yeah, because
We've
you
been
see
here
my
exactly. Yeah, people
man
are calling you. So
calling me. Yes,
two
please.
hours. So those of you that are asking more questions, I know there are a lot of questions above, but we'll just take the last two questions. So someone is asking if it's best to have it on whole warehouse mode or sub-in real-time settlement. I think this person is new. So
Okay,
yes.
okay. All the strategy modes are good, depending to what you want. Okay. If you are a daily trader, it means you want to trade every day. You want to trade the signals every day. Okay. Either one shot or cycle. Then you put the two strategies, which is the second and the third, which is the sub-in mode and real-time settlement. So what are the difference? They are almost the same, but they are a little bit different. So the second one, which is the sub-in mode, it is if you buy the fifth buy, it means from the fifth buy, anything that the robot will invest on the coin, it will not show you the profit. It will leave the profit and take it to top up to the next buy, which is the next call drop. But that sharpen remote, which is the third one, any buy that it will buy from the fifth buy, it will be giving you the separate profit, dropping the separate profit on your Royal Q asset, which is here. You'll be seeing the profit here. You'll be seeing the profit appearing here. Any profit you make in the sharpen rim settlement, which is the third. The second, it will not show you the profit until it closes the total deal for you on that coin. Now, the first mode, which is the sharpen, the warehouse mode, that one is good for if you are buying the coin to hold it for long term. And at the same time, pause it without selling it. Let me explain to you. I'll show you why it is so amazing by putting it on the warehouse mode. So I'll go on my spot trade and I'll type on some coins that are in post. Spot confirm. Okay, there's nothing here. It is on my HTX. Okay. Spot running coins. Okay, for example, here I didn't pause it. Okay, it's not on this account, it's on one of my Royal Key accounts. When I tap on Pepe, for example, create, and create. Okay, you see on my Pepe, I put sharpen mods. I put the whole warehouse mode. This I put on this because I don't want to sell my Pepe now. No, I am trading it for a long term, for a really long term. So now, as you see here, it is on whole warehouse mode. And it has bought for $157. So you see, when I started from the beginning earlier in the Zoom, I said when you make your profit in the future trading, you put it aside. Then after each 10 days, you take it to buy your long-term project coins. Okay. So this Pepe, you see, I started the journey and I want to sell it when it hits 25. 00025. It's just an example. So when it hit the 0025, now it is on 10. It means it will give me 150%. Okay, that's why sometimes you will see my trade when I post it, you will see 150%, 200%. This is how I do it. So on this Pepe, anytime I make profit from the future, I come and open it and I let the robot buy it. Now the margin calls are closed, so it means it will not buy it. So anytime I transfer the money to the spot on this HTX account, then I come and open the margin call for the robot to buy the next call because it has bought 7. I'll open it for it to buy the next call. Okay. So now by putting it on the sharpen mode, it means if anytime I want to sell my Pepe in profit, let me tap on the trade settings. You see here that I put 30% because Royal Q limit us on 30% profit. You cannot go more than that. So if this Pepe reach 20% profit, I will come here and I tap on sell. Sell. It means I'm selling it. But am I selling all or am I going to sell half or some part of it? This part, you can only see it on the option of whole warehouse mode. You will not see it in a sharpen mode, neither in a real-time settlement. So on the whole warehouse mode, this Pepe, as I'm trading it for long term, once it hits 20% profit, I'll come and sell half. Meaning, I'm not going to sell all. I sell half of the money that is on it. Either 300 or either 500 or $1,000. I will sell half of it because I don't know whether it will trace back down or it will go more than that 30%. So by selling half, it means I have sold it or I'm selling it to get my money back, either my capital or capital plus profit. Then the remaining 50% that remain there, I will still leave it. So that if it go up, I will still get more from it and come and sell later. Because you don't know the direction that the crypto is going. What if I come and sell all the 100%? After I sell the 20% or 30%, this coin decide to be going up and giving 50%, 100%. It will pay me because I'll not get it to that higher price and sell it cheap and make the profit. So I always prepare for the two directions. I sell half or 75%, then I leave the 25% there. If it starts dropping down, that 75% that I sold, I'll be injecting it in the floating loss to get more pieces of it and get more extra profit. So that is the meaning of the three options of strategy mode. All are good, but you need to know what do you want to use on which strategy mode. So I hope I have replied you. Thank you.
Yes. Okay, so we are taking the last question from Shaq, and that will be the last question. So I'm sorry, those of you who have any question, maybe you ask during the next training that Leader Aminata will host for us. So yes, Shaq is asking, what time frame? Can you mention again the time you used to pick our trade? Because earlier on you mentioned in the morning, and he was a bit confused with the time because he's in Ghana. Yeah.
Okay. If you are in Ghana, compared to my time here, that's in 5 to 6. It means we are 2 hours ahead. If you are in Ghana, which is 3 a.m. Ghana time, that is my time. Oh, because remember, on your how do you call your app and your trading view app, you set the time frame, the time zone according to your location. You set the time zone according to your location. So if you are in Ghana, it can be your Ghana 6 or 5 a.m. or 4 a.m. in the morning. Okay, then in the night, later in the night, when the market close. So if I say when the market close, you have to check your trading view according to your location. If you are using, when I say market close, it means on your trading view. I hope this is the last question. On your
Yes,
trading
please.
view,
That is the last question.
okay. On your trading view, remember you set the time according to your location. So this is the chart. So on my trading view here, by me using 1 day time frame, which is 1 day time frame, it means for me to go to the next day, for me to get to the close of the market. Oh, sorry, this one is showing 1 minute. No, not 1 minute. I say 1 day. What is this? 1 day, sorry. 1 day, please. 1 day, you see? 1 day. For the market to close in my location here, then it means I still have to wait 13 hours and 41 minutes. Are you seeing it? So it cannot be the same thing like your Ghana time. This is my time here. So it means for me to see the next day on the graphic here, which is the next day, I have to wait 13 hours. So 13 hours, which is at the end of the market in the midnight, you can also pick your signal because the market has closed and it will open, which is 0 hours. That one is also good. It means you are going to drag the market with the traders also. So according to your time frame, yeah. So if you want to use the correct time, you put your time frame of the trading view on 1 day, then you'll be checking it here. So it means at the end of this counting bar, yeah, instrument 30 minutes. When you will see 0 or 0.4 minutes, oh sorry, here is 13 hours. It remains 13 hours. When you see that it remains like 30 minutes to close the market, then you position yourself. Then you go on your crypto bubbles to see. You see, then from there again, in between my 5, 6 to 7. That one also is good for signals. So I hope I have replied you. Thank you very much. So now we will close it, please.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. You need to show some love to Leader Aminata all the way from France, my twinnie. Show some love. Show some love. Thank her. Some confetti. Send some kisses. In fact, she has break the thing down to the simplest form for us, just like an atom. So it's easy for you to consume it. You can swallow it without choking, right? So guys, if you want to rewatch because something might not be clear, you want to repeat, please go back and watch the recorded version. You can rewind, you can re-forward, whatever you want to do, you can watch it and make sure all that has been taught, you put them into practice. If you don't put them into practice, then it means the coaches or the teachers, their work is in vain. You understand? So you yourself, give yourself homework. Whatever that we learned here, practice them. Okay. So yes, thank you so much, Leader Aminata. Will not take your time again. God be with you all. And the recorded version and the transcript will be shared on our various groups. Okay. All right.
Thank you very much. Thank
God be
you.
with
Have
you.
a
God
nice day
bless you,
to you
my
all.
Twinnie. Love
Bye.
you. All right, so we are ending the Zoom. My Twinnie, you are the host, so I believe all of you have copied the YouTube channel where you can get the recorded version. Ambassador Paul, I think you're on our group. You're on the Revolution group, right, Ambassador Paul? Are you on the Revolution group? I believe so, because that is where we post yes, you are there, so you get it over there. Okay, the transcript and the recorded version, once it's ready, we would post it. Okay, you can also make sure you subscribe to the channel so that once the video is uploaded, even if I don't share it on the groups, you still get a notification. All right, so that is all. God be with you. Happy trading and enjoy your lovely sunny day. Bye bye. So I believe you guys have, yeah. Hey, Queen Rita, you showed up today. That is great. Happy to have you here. So yes, that is it. Bye. Yes, for 3 hours. Wow, that's great. Okay, bye guys. I'm ending now.